Imagine waking up tomorrow with $0. No savings, no connections, no backup plan. What would you do? Most people think money problems start when they lose everything. The truth is, money problems start when people stop thinking. And that's exactly why most people never recover. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I lost everything and had to start from zero. No luck, no rich family, no shortcuts. Stay until the end of this video, because the final step is the one most people ignore, and it could change your entire future. The first thing I would do is not look for money. That sounds crazy. But hear me out. Most broke people chase money. Successful people chase value. Money follows value every single time. If you can solve a problem, you can make money. If you can solve a bigger problem, you can make more money. The internet has changed everything. Right now, a teenager with a phone can outperform someone with a college degree. That's not motivation, that's reality. We're living in the greatest opportunity era in history. So day one starts with learning, not earning. Learning. I would spend hours understanding AI, understanding content creation, understanding digital skills, because the fastest path from zero is not physical labor anymore. It's digital leverage. One piece of content can reach one person or 1 million people. One AI tool can replace hours of manual work and multiply your productivity. That's why smart people are learning AI. While everyone else is arguing about AI, the gap keeps getting bigger. If I had only a smartphone, I would still start. No excuses, no waiting for perfect conditions. Most dreams die while waiting. Waiting for money, waiting for equipment, waiting for permission. Meanwhile, somebody else starts today with less than you have and wins because they took action. Action creates clarity. Thinking alone creates confusion. The world rewards movement. So here's my first challenge for you. Stop asking what you need. Start asking what you can do right now. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake people make. They focus on making money before building skills, and that keeps them trapped for years. Money comes and goes. Skills stay with you. A valuable skill can never be taken away. If I started from zero today, I would pick one skill and master it relentlessly. Not 10 skills, not 5 skills, one skill. The internet rewards specialists. People who become really good at something usually get paid more than average people. Think about it. The best editor earns more. The best copywriter earns more. The best marketer earns more. That's because expertise creates trust, and trust creates income every single time. I would choose a skill connected to the internet, a skill with global demand, a skill that scales: content creation, AI automation, video editing, copywriting, digital marketing, graphic design. These skills are no longer optional. They are becoming modern survival skills, and the demand keeps growing. The beautiful thing about the internet is that your customer doesn't need to live near you. They can live anywhere in the world. One client in America, one client in Canada, one client in Australia can completely change your income without you ever leaving your room. That's the power of the digital economy. Most people underestimate small beginnings, but every giant company started small. Every millionaire started somewhere. The first video gets ignored. The first post gets ignored. The first attempt feels embarrassing. That's normal. Success often hides behind repetition, not perfection. People see viral videos, but they don't see the hundreds of videos before them. That's where the real work happens. If I started from zero, I would upload content every day, even when nobody was watching, because content is digital real estate. Every video you publish becomes an asset working for you. One video may fail, 10 videos may fail, but one successful video can change everything. Most people quit before that moment arrives. They stop digging right before finding gold. That's why consistency matters. Not because it's exciting, because it works. The internet rewards people who stay. Most people leave too early and miss the opportunity.
Here's something nobody tells you. Your first goal should not be money. Your first goal should be attention. Attention comes first. Trust comes second. Money comes third.
People buy from people they trust. And trust is built through consistency, not overnight success. If you can earn attention, you can earn influence. And influence can be monetized forever. That's why creators are building empires, not because they are lucky, but because they own attention. And in 2026, attention is one of the most valuable currencies on the planet. Let me tell you something most people never realize. Your phone is not just a device. It's a money-making machine. The same phone people use to scroll for hours can be used to build a business, build an audience, and build a future. Every hour matters. Every choice matters. Every distraction has a price. To how? Most people don't pay with money, they pay with wasted time. And time is far more valuable. You can make more money, you cannot make more time. Once it's gone forever. That's why successful people protect their attention like a treasure, because attention creates results. Imagine planting a seed and digging it up every day just to check if it's growing. That's exactly what most people do. They start something, then quit before results appear. Growth takes time, skills take time, success takes time. The problem isn't that people fail. The problem is they stop too soon, before the breakthrough arrives. If I started from zero, I would commit to 1 year, without expecting immediate rewards. 10 years of learning, 1 year of posting, 1 year of improving. That alone would put me ahead of most people, because most people never stay long enough. Think about your favorite creators. You probably discovered them recently, but they've been working for years. The audience sees spotlight, but they don't see the struggle. That's hidden behind the scenes, and that's where champions are built, in silence, when nobody is clapping for them. If nobody supports you today, keep going. If nobody believes in you, keep going. Your vision must be stronger than other people's opinions. Otherwise, you'll quit too early. The internet is filled with opportunities, but opportunities reward action, not wishful thinking. A lot of people watch motivational videos. Very few people apply them, and that's why results are rare. Knowledge without action is entertainment. Action creates transformation. That's the difference. If I had $0, I would become obsessed with execution, not endless planning, because a mediocre plan, executed consistently, beats a perfect plan that never starts. The world doesn't reward intentions. It rewards implementation. That's how success is built. Here's a hard truth. Nobody is coming to save you. And that's actually good news, because it means your future is still in your hands. You have more control than you think. The moment you stop blaming circumstances, you start gaining power. Real power begins with responsibility. And when you combine responsibility with consistent action, your life can change dramatically. Click the next video show to continue watching the part 2 of this video. I really don't want the video to be too long.